last class we have seen length function, capacity function. Length function will give you how many spaces are occupied. Capacity function, how many spaces are there in total. Now length function will tell you how many spaces are occupied. Then set caret function. Set caret function is of the string buffer class. So at particular location you can store a character. Like in the 0 location you can store S. 1 location you can store O. So in case of a string buffer, capacity and the length function will give the different result. But in case of a string object, capacity and the length will give you the same result. Replace. We can replace a character wherever it is present with another character using the replace method. Okay. Then start switch can see whether the string starts with any small string or not. Okay. Here x dot starts with bracket double quoted sonok. That means sonok is there or not in the starting of the x. X dot substring 0, 4. That means from 0th location to 4th location. Sorry, 5th location. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to that, the word will come out. Okay. So substring function can extract a part of the word. Okay. Middle, from the middle or from the left or from the right, from anywhere. Then x dot 2 lowercase function, x dot 2 lowercase function will convert the whole string to small letters. Okay. The x dot 2 lowercase function is making Sonok Mishra all small letters. Now if you have some spaces from the behind and some spaces afterwards, means some spaces trailing and some spaces heading, those can be wiped out with by the trim method. Then you have this one, toString function. toString method will give you the same string that is there in the string class. Now string dot value of 3.5, 3.25. So 3.25 is a double value. So that double value can be converted to a string object. That double value can be string object value. Okay. So 3.25 will be the string object value. Okay. String R equal to string dot value of 3.25. So a string is constructed from a double value. Now we are discussing that program. That program has a string of Unicode characters. Had a string of Unicode characters. Say these are the Unicode characters. \U0046 stands for S. \U0052 stands for R. Okay. then 0041, 004E, 0053. All these make the France. So France is stored in name1. String name1 equal to that one. Okay. We have seen how we can calculate this class U 0046 to what? Decimal. That is actually in the Unicode character. It is written in Unicode. Each Unicode is four-digit hexadecimal number. Okay, so hexadecimal to decimal, and we converted 0046 was coming how much? 70. So 70 is for F. Then you have so many functions used as we have discussed. Okay, we have discussed all those functions. They are used here, like the functions you see, length function is used, char at function is used. Now, compare to function is used in this program. Okay, equal function is used, equal ignore case function also is used. Next, concat function. Which one? I will come here. So, index of also is there. Then last index of function is also used in this program. This one, which one you are telling? Okay, system dot this one, name dot index of z. Okay, see, z name is coming here. How much? See, string name. Who is calling? From where it is called, you see the test method. The main method is here test. Test method. In the test method, you see where the occurrences of n, where it is called. You see, yes, it is written occurrences of n bracketed name 3. What is the name 3 value? Vincent Robert. Vincent Robert. So Vincent Robert is sent there. Okay, is there z in Vincent Robert? So name dot index of, will you give any value? No. So when it doesn't give any value, that time it is -1. We are seeing with the here in the output you are seeing. Okay, if it does not get that letter in this text, then it will give you -1. String name 1. Okay. Now another substring. Substring function is used. Okay. How it is 0 to last. Name1 dot length function is the last. That many you are taking. Okay. That means whole text you are taking. So it can be 0 to 2. It can be 0. How many? 2. Okay. Now index of function is also used. So you have now replace function. See, here in the replace character function, what is sent to the replace character function? See, name is sent. Come here. Look at this. Name 3 is sent. Again Vincent Robert is sent. So your name is the Vincent Roberts. Okay. So name dot R comma dot. So Vincent Roberts will be dot. Vincent dot. O will be again converted to dot. Okay. So that means Vincent dot dot. Okay. Dot dot bot. Not robot. Vincent dot dot bot. Now, case conversion. See, to case conversion method, which text is sent? To case conversion method, which text is sent? Name 1. What is the value of name 1? France. So here name 1 also, the same is name 1. Here you see the formal parameter is also name 1. Actual parameter was name 1. Formal parameter also is the name 1. So name 1, what it is doing? First you see it is showing the name 1. First it is converting to lowercase function. It is using the two lowercase functions and getting the value. Okay. Next, two uppercase functions. Then substring. With substring it is getting the how many letters? Name 2. Name 2 it is 0, 1 means how many letters? Name 1, yes? Half letter, yes, half letter. Then 1, 5. From 1, 5 letters. Okay, from 1 position, 5 letters. 1 means second position, not first position. Second position. 0 is first position, 1 means second position. Two lowercase method. Name 3 of two lowercase method. Okay. So whatever it is getting there. Also converting those values. Also converting those extracted string. Okay. Also it is converting to the lowercase. So that is all about the program. See, name 1. Name 2 ର value ରହୁଛି କେତେ? Substring 01 means କେତେ? F. Name 3 ର value ରହୁଛି କେତେ? Substring 15 means run. Okay. Now, it is again concatenating. Name 2 dot concat. Okay. Name 3 two lowercase function. So name 3 is converted to small letter. Name 3 is rand. Okay, now F is only capital and rand is becoming small. So that is the new value of name 2. No, it is string is immutable. It cannot be changed its value. Actually, a new object is created. And the old object is there. Okay. New object is created. Understood? This name2 dot concat method is creating a new object. Old object is there in some place. Okay. Now when that new object is created, now name2 is pointing to that new object. Previously, name2 was pointing to the old object. Now name 2 is pointing to the new object. Okay, understood? Huh? So that is all about this program. France you had in capital letter. Now you are getting France in. First one is the capital and then others are small.